Hey folks, and welcome to the Pipnotic Symposium for the 15th of May 2024. Today I'm going to talk about installing Expert Advisors. So first of all, what you'll need to do is you'll have to download the Expert Advisor. So you click on My Account up here in the menu to begin to do that. And this will bring you into your account. And here, if you go to Downloads, you can find all the files that you have, that you are subscribed to. And then you go here and you download this one just here. So you click on that button and that will begin to download the file, as you can see just here. So I click on that and you also download the key. So I've got this now and I want to unzip it, extract. So on this one, and I want this one, I mark them both and I cut them. Then I go to my MT4 terminal. I go up to File, Open Data Folder, and then here I go into the MQL4 directory. And remember, ASR is an Expert Advisor. So Expert Advisors go in the Experts directory and indicators go in the indicators directory, but ASR and buy and sell zones via ASZ is an expert, so they would go in here. So the files that we have, we paste in here. Now we have them just here, and I need to mark this first of all. I'll copy that, and then I go back to MT4 and I right click here and I say refresh. And this updates this file. So now I can drag it over on the chart, like so, and I can see information about it, like the version. Okay, so this is the newest version. This is 1.086. I released an update a couple of days ago addressing a bug. Common tab, we need to ensure that allow live trading is enabled. Okay, allow DLL imports. Allow import of external experts, and on the inputs here you paste the product key and your private key, which I have right here. Paste, and now we're done. Okay, just going to run through these settings quickly. Okay, so it runs every 20 seconds just to slow things down a little bit. We have the risk. This is a 50% per trade. We are risking 4.0 in the opportunity to win 1.4. I think Forex had this set to like 1.33, something like that, just so you have a 3-to-1 risk reward. Margin level, this is set to 3,000, anywhere between 3,000 and 5,000, just so there's enough money in your account. The loss limit you should leave on, leave this to true. And the break-even stop, that's also quite handy. Then I've changed a few settings since the last version, and we have this one, ensure histogram alignment. When this is set to true, it's ensuring that both the entry histogram and the histogram one greater than the entry are aligned, so they're both in overbought or oversold. This is true, it will ensure that they're both looking like that. This is set to false, it'll only look at the entry time frame, so which would make that the 1 hour. Okay, we have enable spread filter, yes, spread. If you don't want to paste swaps, you set this to true. These are all the pairs that you would add. And we have the histogram information and the time frame, so it's scanning 1 hour and 4 hour. What it's actually doing, when it's scanning 1 hour, it's also scanning the 4 hour, and when it's scanning the 4 hour, it's also scanning the daily, because if this setting is set to true, then it will ensure that there's alignment, as I mentioned. So this is an important setting to remember. Okay, I'm just going to disable that just for now, just to see if there's anything hanging. And the rest we have we're not always allowed to trade. We're allowed to trade on in Asia all of the sessions, but all of the days except for Friday and Sunday, we don't want to trade those days. And that's it. And you press OK. And then you make sure that this auto button is clicked, and you'll notice that the little smiley face, or it'll turn to a smile as soon as I press this button. See? Disabled, enabled, disabled. And if it doesn't, it's probably because this is not checked. So if I click it, still a frown, no matter what I do. I go here, I allow it, and I press OK, and we get the smiley face. Okay, and so now it's running. And so what you can do now is you can go here into the Experts tab, and click on this little button up here, the terminal, and this will show you that it's working. And as long as it's spinning like this, Pipnotic ASIC strength erosion algo, and it's analyzing, and then it is working. You can see it's running beautifully. So that's essentially how you install it. But if you have any questions about this, please let me know. Thanks for watching.